Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 28th January 2021, Thursday. This video show usually talks about swing trading and intraday trading in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and that's exactly our topic for today. Before we start the market analysis, there is a personal message and from my side, and that message is to many of my viewers who have written that I am not giving a commentary in Hindi, and I apologize for that omission. My point is that sometimes I feel that I can make only one video. Making a second video requires saying the same things again in a different language, and Hindi is my mother language, and I want that Hindi should prosper and grow, and the only way we can do that is when we add content to the language. So I love to do videos in Hindi, but there are many days when I realize I can do only one video. If I have to do only one video, I have to choose English. We must remember that this is a big country. There are many people who do not understand, follow Hindi, but everyone, Hindi speaking people and non-Hindi speaking people, everyone follows English. So if I make a single video for the day, then I make it in English, and it would be very unfair and inappropriate if I were to make a single video in Hindi. And I hope you understood my explanation. So please accept my apologies for days when a Hindi video is not made, and also understand the reasons behind it. Thank you for bearing with me on this. The chart that you see on your screen is a 30-minute chart of the Cash Nifty. Now I'm going to discuss the market view and the market action and analysis, my own analysis based on this chart. But first let me tell you, this is a chart I have made now. When I started the Hindi show, it was 7:50 p.m. So let's say that the chart was put on the screen at 7:50 p.m. The market had already closed. It's very easy to analyze a chart after the market closes. I can do it, you can do it, anyone can do it. Look at this chart and say, this happened here, this is what we should have done, this is what was happening, and this way we can have a perfect analysis of a chart after the event. However, we are traders and we do not have the luxury of having tomorrow's chart now. We have to trade as each of these price bars is developing, each of these candles is developing, and then we do not have the luxury of saying, oh, this is what will happen, because we already see it. We haven't seen it in future. So analyzing a chart now after the event has happened and analyzing your trades when the event is happening, they are two different things. That's a much tougher task. I'm taking the easier task just now. So please understand that I am analyzing the market after, not before. Although we share some of the views, but still, analysis during market hours is very, very different. Let me now explain to you how I am looking at this chart. Look at the mouse pointer. I hope you can see it. It's on the left side of the chart and you can see a green arrow. This is where the moving averages cut on the upside. So we went long. Now this long position continued till this red bar when the moving average crossed on the downside. This was almost 400 points. A 400 point rally without interruption, without the moving average changing direction is remarkable. But what followed was even more remarkable. Once we got a sell signal here, the market fell, and the moving average kept on falling with it till it has reached today's lows. This was 800 points on the downside. So 400 points on the upside, 800 points on the downside, 1200 points from January 18 to date is remarkable. Sometimes we make 1200 points in 6 months. Now let me assure you that this is not because of my moving averages. I must tell you, there is no magic in these averages. 1200 points have come because of the market, not because of me. Let's be humble about it, and let's be clear that the market gives. We have nothing in us to take from the market. When the market gives, it gives. If you put any moving average, any trend following method on your chart, you are going to get this. May not be here, you may get it here, that's a different matter. That is why we use low lag averages, so that they respond quickly. But any trend following method will give you more or less this entire move, little less maybe, but that's about all. You'll catch most of it. So this is a matter of luck. If we follow our methods with discipline and stay in the market and accept the inevitable losses, we also get these inevitable profits, which actually means that losses are the pathway to profits. Now I want to point out a very interesting feature of these charts. See, the trend is up, and you can see these lines here. These are small rectangles that I have coded in this software. I told you I do a lot of coding. Every time a rectangle is made, I like rectangles because they represent areas of consolidation. Now in a trending environment, what should the consolidation do? It should break on the upside in an uptrending environment, and that's exactly what this is doing. Every time there is a consolidation, break out on the upside, break out on the upside, break out on the upside, break out on the upside. So two things happen. First, a breakout tells us that a consolidation is being powered by the bulls. They are ready to buy at higher prices. They were pausing and they are ready to buy. So we are on the right track. Second, if I want to add positions, or maybe suppose for some reason I did not add positions here, these breakouts enable me to add positions in an ongoing trend. Now finally we had another rectangle, and what happened this time? This time the rectangle broke on the downside. First warning. This is, all these rectangles breaking on the upside and this one breaks on the downside is a warning that perhaps something is going on. This warning was accompanied by a change of trend in the moving averages, second. And the gap up on that day was filled on the same day. So now we have three warnings that this market is changing direction. One, the moving average, gap up, and the breakdown from the rectangle. Now there is no way I could have known, and I did not know, that the Nifty will fall 800 points like this. I can assure you I did not know. What I know is that I must be short. That's all. Maybe it will give me 100 points, maybe it will give me a whipsaw and go up again. I have no way of knowing the future, and I don't need to. I told you earlier in this program, the market gives us. We don't take from the market. The market decided to be generous. Good for the market, and thank you, market. And now see what happens. Here is a rectangle. Where should it break out if the trend is intact? On the downside. It did that. Another rectangle here. Where should it break out if the trend is on the downside? On the downside it should break out. Broke out here. Now the interesting part comes. Here is a rectangle. Where should it break down? It broke on the downside. But by the time the markets ended, it came back and entered the rectangle again. This is interesting. Is this rectangle going to be a failure? We don't know, but there are signs that it could be so. Note also the moving averages are now touching each other. If tomorrow is an up day, it's quite possible that this may move up. So my sense is that perhaps the markets are oversold for the time being, and tomorrow if the market gives us a gap up or does not, I would be a buyer above the 15-minute high using the opening range breakout. Easiest thing to do. Which means tomorrow I don't mind buying, and tomorrow I'm not looking to sell on a rally unless some pattern emerges. That's far away. I can't say what will happen. I would prefer to buy. That's the view I'm taking right now. Also remember that February 1, Monday, is a budget day. Budgets can create havoc in the market, so that can change everything. That's a different story. I hope you enjoy these videos. I'm sorry this one became longer than I would have thought. But once I start speaking, it becomes, it's as if I'm communicating with all my friends. And sometimes I just keep on going on. Thank you for listening and watching. Jai Hind.